What's up, y'all? It's your boy Kelly B. Hey, I hope everybody's having an awesome day, man. I know I am. I'm yet alive. I'm here. But y'all, we got a great little video for you today. You see that the fairing is off of Khrome, and we got a little piece from my people, Hogworkz, that we're gonna install on the bike, and I'm gonna show you what it is right after this. I got a little piece right here from my good people, Hogworkz right here. This is the fairing support kit right here. These are the black ones. I'm getting ready to replace the chrome ones right here. Those are the stock ones, and I wanted to go with black, and I think it'll look much better than that chrome sitting right there. So we're gonna get these put on. It won't be a long installation, very short. I just show you one side, because it's very easy to put on. You got one bolt here, and then you got the two little bolts right up in here. You just pull those off, and then you put these on and mount it back up. And make sure you use blue Loctite. Make sure you use blue Loctite for this boy right here, so you don't want to have nothing coming loose on you and going down the highway. I guess I'll show a little bit of it. What y'all think? Let's get into it, and so we can button Khrome back up, cause hey, we got a ride tomorrow. Hey, the polar ride. So let's go. It's packaged really neatly right here. So yeah, you see this right here? And make sure you use the right one for the right side right here. Okay, y'all see these right here? Looks really good, y'all. Very nice powder coat. If you want anything color match, go to Hogworkz, hogworkz.com. I'll put a link in the description. You can go check it out. So we're pulling the stock ones off, and we're putting the black ones on. And I got my Allen wrench here. This is a 3/16 right here, y'all. 3/16. We're just gonna take these two screws loose right here, and we're gonna put it on there, y'all. And make sure you use blue Loctite, okay? Just gonna mount this right here, y'all. You got your screw right here. I'm gonna put that in there. See, this thing will adjust up and down right here, so make sure you get it right where you want it, so you can get this in and get your screws in. So let's get it. And you got a 7/16 socket for this here. I'm gonna snug it just like that right now, and until I finish tightening the back ones up back here. And I'll show it to you when we get done. Let's go. All right, y'all, we got the fairing mounts on, y'all. Looks really good. I like how it just blacked everything out right in this space right here. You should just see that chrome kind of sticking out, and it looks really good on both sides, man. It just looks really nice, man. I really like that look better than the other one, man. So yeah. Oh man, y'all, this fairing be hard to put on sometimes, trying to line them screws up. But y'all, we're gonna end this video. Y'all stay safe out there. Until the next time, the next grind. And I want to thank Hogworkz for sending this over. I really appreciate you all. Y'all, we are out. Next time, next grind, baby. We out. Love y'all. 2, 3.
We rollin', man.